Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Miss Independent Yugi. Thank you for standing up whenever I upload a new video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how we can get rid of vaginal dryness using aloe vera gel. First of all, you have to get aloe vera leaf, and then you will have to wash it. You can get a fresh one if you have in your garden, but if you don't have, you can always buy it from online. They sell it in online stores. And then wash our leaf properly. The purpose of washing this leaf is to remove any dirt that comes with it. And then after washing it, you'll get from your knife and cut off the sides, as you see, as I'm doing it in the video below. Cut off the sides, and you're going to get the aloe vera gel, the fresh one. You'll be having to cut off the sides and then peel it off, or like remove the green stuff. You see how I'm removing it? Inside, it's what we want, that starchy stuff, the white one, the gel, that one. So afterwards, you are going to scoop it off using, you can use a spoon, but I prefer using a knife, and I just keep rubbing the knife on the gel so that I don't have to blend it afterwards, because it's already, like, if I do it the way I'm doing it in the video, it comes out already blended. But some people prefer scooping it off and then you blend it afterwards. But if you don't have a blender and you don't want to waste time, this is how you'll have to do it. You'll just have to keep scooping it, or keep rubbing the knife on the gel, and then it will come out in a very good consistency. After getting our gel out of the leaf, we are going to get it, and then we'll have to get milk, fresh milk, of course. And then we will get our milk. After we get our gel, we will need 2 tablespoons of milk, which we are going to add to our gel and then mix the constants together. We will need an air container, actually, an airtight container, where you are going to store this stuff, or we are going to store our gel. So get your milk. As you see the constants, you're going to see it. It looks very good. Get your milk, 2 spoons, and then mix it. But it depends on the quantity of the gel you have. If the gel is too much, of course, you'll have to increase on the quantity of the milk. It depends. You can use 1 spoon or you can use 2 spoons. It will depend. So for me, I decided to use 2 spoons of milk, and then I mixed it together. This is fresh milk. After mixing the stuff together, I'll get an airtight container, put our gel in, and then close it. We can store it in the fridge if you want to use it for like a period of 1 week. But if you can do this like after 3 days, it's better. I added the milk because the consistency was not good. It means I had a lot of gel, so I could it's okay for me to add milk. So this is what I told you, that if you have a lot of gel, you can always add milk, or more than what I'm saying right now, accordingly. So I put it in the airtight container, then I stored it afterwards. But I used it fresh that day. This is how it has to look like, you see. That is how our constance has to look like. You will use your finger, dip it inside, and then you will put your finger under your city, or your you'll have to put your finger in your vagina. You just have to dip your finger in this constance, and then into this, like that, and then put it inside your vagina. It's going to help you. First of all, it's going to help you to deal with infections. If you have this yeast infection, this minor infections, it will help you because of the milk and the aloe vera. It's very good for us ladies, and it's going to help you deal with vaginal dryness. You'll have to see results in 3 to 4 days. You'll be seeing some changes, of course. That's all I have for today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you liked our video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to become a member.